These two dogs really didn't want to get out of the pool. Just watch how they keep ignoring their mum and jumping into the pool over and over again. The ending is hilarious.
Buster, I'm really gonna... Buster! Come here. Come here. Come here, you lit. Be a good boy for once in your life. Are you done? Come here. Come here. Buster. Buster Henry. Buster. Come here. Come here. Hey, hey, that's what's my towel. Don't you dare. Buster. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, 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 leave that vacuum cleaner alone. Hey, are you ready to come in?
Come on. Let's go. Come on. Down the pool. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go over here. Mommy dry you. Go dry him. Come over here. No, sir. Buster. Get over here now.